Hi Caleb, it's Lisa. Hey, thanks for your message. I just thought maybe I would go over the quiz with you on video really quick, and hopefully that'll answer your questions. The other thing to keep in mind is actually the chapter quizzes give you 3 attempts, and then the gradebook naturally takes or automatically takes your highest score out of those 3 attempts. So I'm not sure where you are on those, but just to let you know, you have those other opportunities. Okay, so let's scroll down to the first one where you got it incorrect. So this one, I think this is marked correctly in that you typed in perfect competition, and the correct answer here is monopolistic competition. So I think that one is marking correctly. And then on question 7, you indicated none of the above, and the question is actually, the correct answer is taxing, spending, and welfare activities. So that's referring to a mixed economy. The government is involved in the economic system through those things. And let's see, I did find one where I adjusted the points. I think it was this one. Yeah, because it said, what is the primary difference between goods and services? And you answered it correctly. It was, you just had a comma in there instead of a period and the capitalization. Anyway, so I really appreciate your questions, because what that says to me is I need to go in there and adjust that question, maybe even make it a multiple choice, because typing it in is incorrectly giving people a missed question. So I went ahead and entered the correct points for that and gave you credit for that one. Okay, let's scroll on. Okay, on question 14, which of the following is not an example of a factor of production? You answered entrepreneurship. It is actually one of the factors of production. The correct answer was competition. So competition is not a factor of production. Okay, so question 15, demography is the study of how people use their free time, how people integrate their hobbies and their vocations, and how people make their purchase decisions. So the correct answer was false. And you answered true. Demography is the study of people's vital statistics, and then those statistics are used to kind of watch supply and demand in the market. Marketers use those quite a bit. So I would just refresh on the definition of demography. And I think there was 2 more. Let's see. So on this one, 18, the purchase of savings bonds by individuals allows the U.S. government to, and you answered eliminate crowding out. And the correct answer is make sure that the burden of national debt is spread more equitably. So it means each of those people that purchases a savings bond is helping to carry the U.S. That debt. And then on 19, what kind of interaction is a pet groomer using when it sends birthday cards to the pet she cares for? You answered it's goods. And the correct answer is actually relationship management. So that person who's a pet groomer is managing that customer relationship and growing it by sending them a card. And actually a groomer is selling services, not goods. So that's that question, and I think that was it. So hopefully that answers your questions. I really appreciate you letting me know, because the more questions that I get, the more I can improve the class. So thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.